So it's Saturday morning and I'm doing a control board replacement for a property manager in the Louisville area. So this is the old one. Basically had no um, lights or activity when you press the buttons. Um, it was just dead. So tested it out. Measurements came back within a range that said that the control board needed to be replaced because power wasn't going throughout the entire unit. So here's the new motherboard that we put in, and as you can see here, we got some lights and activity now. So now I'm going to do is go through and program it based on the GE model number, and we should be good to go. All right, starting out my morning with a win.